Mayunday.
As to any, she want me to leave. I
My contract, why not finish?
extra hirap.
Tambay.
Again, go. Next plan. 6:30. Same area.
Sleep. Sleep, Dylan, sleep.
6:30 next plan. So 5:30.
30.
Thanks for hanging out on your Monday afternoon. I hope it's going well, whatever it is you're up to. Shall we send you to
We'll go Alwada. We'll go there. Ewa?
Nakala ko na sa init tayo. Thank you so much. Prepare your ID.
Oh, today what, yeah?
It's very hard, no? So,
Ano masasabi mo ngayon?
speech na to. Thank you so much. Very pleased.
There.
We want office.
Saan ko muna to, madam na? You hold already yun. Alam niyo, dito. May mic to!
Office, huh?
We'll go office na?
Ha?
Ba yan?
Bye.
I thought we will go McDo.
Magdo, Jollibee.
Jollibee. Ah, we will go Jollibee. Go there.
Jollibee na lang.
Go there. Yeah, there.
Yung parking?
Parking.
Ah, siya.
Yeah. That at the back on this.
Sinirat naman ako. Ito ba? Tanga! Paano mag-isip? Kasi ako Tanga! Wow, ang ganda ng picture ko ngayon!
Eh?
Oh my God.
Parang nanalo lang ah.
Ganda-ganda ng picture ko dito.
Here, this. Ito yung back na to, di ba?
Dami na natin na-collect. Ha?
Ah, this walk. This walk.
Pangit nung una kong idea eh.
Second building.
Dami na natin na-collect sa ID no? Ilang taon na natin. Moon, Marimar!
Mag-walk na lang tayo.
Ha?
Walk na lang tayo.
Sa man? Bakit?
Here.
Bakit mag-walk?
Jollibee,
Yan,
ayan na.
yan. Ah, oh, dyan lang pala yun. Tara na.
No parking?
I stay.
Jollibee po kami.
You will stay there? You will not eat?
Oy, we will eat. Dinner.
We will eat dinner.
Don't go there inside.
Where?
Ha?
How to go parking?
There oh. You
Kaya
can find
the Jollibee na parking.
you can find out the parking there.
Eat in there? You?
Yeah.
Ah,
Or go in this way or park from there. Yalla.
Jollibee have parking.
Yalla.
Jollibee tayo ni Christy. Bakit ba? Ayaw mo? Hirap niya. Hirap pa. Ganyan lang dyan sa ano. Yeah, going. This one. Going. How many hours? Dapat ipipit na. How much dapat? Yun na. Joy. Yung umalis.
There is someone